Have you ever wondered why some memories stick and others fade away? Just think about it. You might remember the lyrics to a song from your childhood, but can't remember what you had for lunch yesterday. This is the intriguing world of human memory. Memory, in its simplest form, is the process of retaining, retrieving, and using information about stimuli, images, events, ideas, and skills after the original information is no longer present. It's our brain's file cabinet, a collection of experiences and knowledge that shapes who we are and how we perceive the world. But it's not as straightforward as it seems, and that's what makes it a captivating mystery. Now, why do we remember certain things and forget others? It's a question that has puzzled scientists and psychologists for centuries. It seems that our brain has a selective process when it comes to storing memories. Not all memories are created equal. Some are etched into our minds as if they were inscribed in stone, while others are like footprints in the sand, quickly washed away by the tide of time. Emotions play a significant role in this process. The stronger the emotion attached to a moment, the more likely we are to remember it. That's why we can recall vividly our first day at school, the birth of a child, or even a traumatic event. These emotional imprints serve as anchors, keeping the memory firmly in place. Experiences, too, shape our memory. Unique, novel experiences tend to stick more than mundane, everyday occurrences. Just like a well-traveled path becomes clear and easy to follow, the repetition of experiences or information also strengthens memory retention. It's like the saying goes, practice makes perfect. And yet, with all these factors at play, the exact mechanics of memory remain elusive. The human brain, with its 100 billion neurons and intricate web of connections, is a labyrinth waiting to be explored. So why do only some memories stick? Let's dive deeper into the human brain to understand this mystery. How does our brain decide what to remember and what to forget? It's a question that has baffled scientists for centuries. But today we have a slightly clearer understanding of this complex process. Let's take a trip into the human brain, a marvel of nature that's responsible for the formation, storage, and retrieval of memories. Our memories, both short-term and long-term, are not stored in a single place, but are distributed across various parts of the brain. First, let's talk about the hippocampus, a small curved formation deep within the brain. It's like the brain's scribe, diligently working away to convert short-term memories into long-term ones. Without this little powerhouse, we'd forget everything in a matter of seconds. Next, there's the prefrontal cortex. This is where the magic of short-term memory happens. It's like a sticky notepad holding onto the information that we need right now, but we'll probably forget later. And then there's the amygdala. This almond-shaped structure is responsible for attaching emotions to our memories. Ever wondered why you remember your first love or the thrill of your first roller coaster ride so vividly? Well, you have the amygdala to thank for that. Now onto the distinction between short-term and long-term memory. Short-term memory is like a temporary storage area, holding a limited amount of information for a short period of time. Think of it as the brain's version of jotting something down on your hand. Long-term memory, on the other hand, is the brain's filing cabinet. It's where memories are stored for longer periods, from a few minutes to a lifetime. This is where your first day at school, your wedding day, or the birth of your child is stored. As we've seen, our brain performs a complex process to form and retrieve memories. It's akin to a symphony, with each part playing a crucial role to create a harmonious whole. But what happens when this process is disrupted? Imagine waking up every day with no memory of the previous day. Scary, isn't it? This terrifying scenario is a daily reality for those living with certain memory disorders. Two of the most well-known are amnesia and Alzheimer's disease. Let's start with amnesia. This is a disorder marked by significant memory loss that goes beyond typical forgetfulness. It can be caused by a variety of factors, including brain injury or illness. People with this condition often struggle to remember past events, new information, or both. Next, we have Alzheimer's disease, a progressive disorder that destroys memory and other crucial mental functions. As Alzheimer's progresses, individuals may forget conversations or appointments, and they may even start to forget their own personal history. The impact on the person's daily life is profound. Everyday tasks become increasingly difficult, and the person may eventually need full-time care. These disorders don't just affect the individual, they also have a profound impact on relationships. It's incredibly challenging to watch a loved one struggle with memory loss. The person you knew may change dramatically, and it can feel as if you're losing them even while they're still here. But it's not all doom and gloom. The human spirit is resilient, and people with memory disorders often show incredible strength and determination. Moreover, researchers across the globe are working tirelessly to better understand these disorders and develop effective treatments. Memory disorders can be devastating, but research is ongoing to find effective treatments. So how can we improve our memory? Who wouldn't want a better memory? But is it really possible to improve our memory? Well, spoiler alert, it is. There are several scientifically proven techniques that can enhance our memory. Let's start with regular exercise. It's not just good for your body, but also for your brain. Exercise increases blood flow to the brain, nourishing it with the necessary nutrients and oxygen. This in turn boosts the development of new neurons and connections, enhancing memory and cognitive abilities. So if you're not moving yet, it's time to lace up those running shoes. Next on the list is a healthy diet. You've probably heard the phrase, "You are what you eat." Well, it turns out our brain agrees. Certain foods, like those rich in antioxidants, omega-3 fatty acids, and B vitamins, are known to support brain health and improve memory. So try to include blueberries, fatty fish, turmeric, broccoli, pumpkin seeds, dark chocolate, and oranges in your diet. Food for thought indeed. Now let's talk about sleep. It's not just about getting those full 8 hours, but also about the quality of sleep. During deep sleep, our brain sorts and stores new memories, and lack of quality sleep can impair this process. So make sure to prioritize good sleep hygiene for a sharper memory. Last but not least, mental exercises. Just like our body, our brain needs regular workouts too. Activities that challenge the brain, like puzzles, reading, writing, or learning a new language, can strengthen brain cells and the connections between them, leading to improved memory. But remember, these techniques are not magic pills. They require consistency and patience. Over time, they can significantly enhance not only your memory, but also your overall cognitive abilities. Improving memory isn't just about remembering more. It's about enhancing our overall brain health. So let's commit to these memory-boosting habits and give our brain the love it deserves. What does the future hold for our understanding of memory? A question that provokes curiosity and a sense of wonder. As we venture into the expanse of the unknown, our pursuit of knowledge in the field of memory research continues to push boundaries and shatter preconceived notions. The future seems to hold exciting prospects. One of the potential breakthroughs that scientists are diligently working on is memory implants. Imagine a world where forgotten memories could be retrieved, or new memories could be implanted in your mind. This technology could revolutionize the way we understand and treat memory disorders. It may sound like a plot from a science fiction novel, but it's closer to becoming a reality than you might think. Another fascinating area of research is the possibility of artificially enhancing memory. We've all had moments where we wished we could remember more, whether it's for an exam, a work presentation, or just recalling a cherished memory. Scientists are exploring ways to boost our memory capacity, which could significantly impact our learning and cognitive abilities. These advancements in memory research are not just about improving recall or treating disorders. They are about understanding the intricate workings of the human mind and how memories shape our identities, our experiences, and our very existence. The future of memory research holds exciting possibilities. Our understanding of memory is constantly evolving, and who knows what we'll discover next. So, what have we learned today about the fascinating world of human memory? We've delved into its mysteries, understood its science, explored the impact of disorders, and discovered techniques to enhance it. We even peeked into the future of memory research. Remember, your memory is a vital part of who you are, so take good care of it. If you found this video intriguing, subscribe to our channel for more enlightening videos. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning.